Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video I will show you outdoor decoration ideas. So I hope you enjoy my videos. So friends, let's start today video. So friends, my first idea is weavers. So friends, a beautiful garden is not only about flower, it is about creative decoration that make the space feel warm and relaxing. To start by adding colorful flower pot in different shape and size. Mix bright flower with green plants to create a lovely and cheerful garden. Create a lovely garden path using stones, brick, wooden slides, a simple walkway. Add charm and make your garden easy to explore. And friends, weavers. Flower buckets on fence porch, or they add a height, color and beauty to your outdoor space. And weavers. Place a comfortable bench or small sitting area where you can enjoy fresh air, read a book or spend time with family. Decorate your garden with solar light, lantern or fairy lights. Soft lighting make your garden look magical after sunset. And rivers. Use all watering and wooden treat vintage packet as unique planted recycle items and save money. So viewers, I hope you enjoy my videos. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for the latest updates.